Hello. The weather calming down somewhat as we go through the weekend. That's not to say there won't still be problems, and the weekend will still start on a cold note with the risk of ice, but slowly it should be turning a little bit milder. On Friday night, though, it is still going to be cold, still some wet weather around, the risk of ice almost anywhere. Wherever we've got showers, there's still a threat they could be falling as sleet and snow. So it could be pretty treacherous as we go through the first part of Saturday. Temperatures dropping down below freezing in many towns and cities, not quite so cold in the south and the west. Into the weekend then, we start cold, we start frosty, still the risk of some ice around. Things starting to change, weather systems trying to push in from the west, bringing cloud and bringing some rain. But as it hits the cold air, well, a couple of things. There could be some snow as it arrives. There could also be rain falling onto frozen ground, and that could turn things quite slippery as well. So that's something to be aware of. But many central and eastern areas having generally looking like a dry day on Saturday with a bit of sunshine, but still pretty cold at this stage. Heading out on Saturday night, so many eastern areas should still be dry. Could turn a bit cold and frosty here. Further west, there's more cloud around. It's not as cold here, but you can see the blue there. That's outbreaks of rain, which, well, become more widespread by Sunday. Sunday looking like a grey day and a damp day for many of us, but by this stage, the wind's coming from the west, so it is turning milder. We're not talking about snow anymore. We are talking about outbreaks of rain for many, and gradually just turning a bit milder, although it'll still feel cold across the east as that rain starts to trickle in. Have a good weekend.